Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Liberation through Renunciation, Chapter 18, Shloka 61. The Lord dwells in the hearts of all beings, O Arjuna, causing all beings by his elusive power to revolve as if mounted on a machine.
Chapter 18, Shloka 61. Ishvara sarvabhutanam hriddesharjuna tishtati brahmayan sarvabhutani yantrarudhani mayaya.
Chapter 18, Shloka 61. In the previous few shlokas, Lord Krishna said, "Remember me constantly." What does this mean? How are we to remember? Does it mean meditating upon the Lord? What should be our relationship with Him? Are we to remember Him as a historical event or remember Him as intimately connected with us as a presence expressing itself at all times in and through us? Lord says that in His presence alone everything can happen. Therefore, remember Him as Ishvara. Do not remember the Lord as merely a personified power, but recognize Him as one who dwells in the heart of every creature, which means in the mind of one who has cultivated the divine qualities such as love, kindness, patience, cheer, affection, tenderness, forgiveness, charity, etc. Matter has no consciousness. When matter comes in contact with the life principle in us, it becomes vibrant and dynamic, capable of perceiving, feeling, and thinking. The spark of life presiding over the body, the pure eternal consciousness in itself, does not act, but in its presence, the matter envelopments get vitalized and then they seem to act. The Atma, conditioned by the equipments, expresses dynamism and action and creates what we recognize as the manifested individuality. The Supreme functioning through the total bodies as the cause of all action is called Ishvara. Lord as life functioning in each one of us is the master, the controller, and the director of all our individual activities, and is the same in all of us. Therefore, the total life functions through and manifests as the entire universe, giving energy to all equipments. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.